Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an overview of the lianli O11D EVO RGB PC case that you see on the screen. But first we got an ad from our sponsor. keysfan.com has great deals on Microsoft Windows keys and Microsoft Office keys. You can simply type in keysfan.com, go to their website, add the product you're looking for to your cart, and type in the discount code to receive a great discount. You can use WGP50 for a 50% discount on Windows keys, or as you can see on the screen here, we're going to be using WGP62 to get 62% off Microsoft Office. You simply proceed to checkout, you see that great discount on the screen, and you can pay with either PayPal, your credit card, debit card, or however you like. Thank you, Keys fans, for sponsoring the video. And now let's get back to the overview. First off, let me say this case is really big and really heavy. lianli did a great job at packaging as always. All the glass is double sealed, huge chunks of foam, everything's wrapped. The reason I was interested in this case is because it's a chimney style case, which is my favorite. You get cold air from outside the case for both the GPU and CPU if you set up the case correctly. It also has room for a full-size PSU, which a lot of cases like this don't. They have to use a smaller PSU. The screws on top here are captive. You can fit a 455 millimeter GPU in this case, which is massive. You can also fit an E-ATX motherboard in this case. I did a build in this case. I went with an ATX motherboard. There's two different positions you can put it in. Depending on if you have a radiator in the top or the bottom, you might want to change what position it's in. The glass just pops off once you have the top removed. You can have a massive 420 millimeter radiator in the top if you use the included brackets. It has 3 different brackets for mounting your fans. A bracket on top, on the bottom, and on the side. So you can mount the fans outside the case, and then you can just snap the fans into position. I did a full build on my channel. You can check that out if you want to see how that works. I like this little flip door to hide your wires. It's magnetic, which is nice. There are a ton of spots for mounting hard drives and SSDs. And there is a decent amount of room in the back to hide wires. lianli always does really good with the wire management. They give you enough Velcro straps, and they give you extra ones along with zip ties as well. The finish quality is top notch. The top plate is perforated. There are no filters up there. The rear of the case is just like the top. There's no filter, just a lot of little tiny holes to maximize airflow. They include these 2 brackets on the back to mount SSDs or hard drives. They impede airflow, so I would just remove them unless you really need them. The accessories kit includes a manual, a metal lianli badge with adhesive backing, a GPU bracket, which is really nice because I think aftermarket ones look pretty shoddy. A bunch of spare screws plus motherboard screws, zip ties, Velcro straps, and the brackets for mounting the 420 millimeter radiator. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll answer them if I can. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And as always, take care and have a great day.